To learn more about Barney and Friends, visit PBS online at pbskids.org.
Barney and Friends was made possible by...
Why are these kids laughing? Why not? Fun and the joy of learning are essential to growing up, and we're proud to play our part at Chuck E. Cheese's by supporting Children's Public Television, where a kid can be a kid.
Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, where they know that the fun of playing and learning together is more than just good. It's great!
And by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.
PBS Kids!
Red rocks, red rules.
Blue's the boss, blue's the bomb. Green's a groove, green is great. Purple's pow, purple's posh.
Pink's the pick, pink's the point.
Yellow, yellow, yes.
Together we're hot, you're warm or you're not.
We're both really cool.
A splash in the pool.
And we two are bright.
We bring in the light.
We're hot as a fire. And I take us higher.
We're cool just like ice.
And I add the spice.
But best of all, 6 makes a fabulous mix.
There's lots of fun in store, so stick around for more here on WETA Kids.
Long ago, an orphan named Anne came to the magical countryside of Prince Edward Island. Forever after, she was known as Anne of Green Gables.
And Shirley. Miss Evans! Hello there! Felicity! Miss Evans is taking me to Europe.
Not in that ratty blanket.
It'll be hard to imagine you with anything but red hair.
Anything will be better than red.
Anything?
Looks like you got your hair sunburned. Your teasing can't upset me.
I'll take my cap off to that.
Why, Stuart!
Sunday mornings on WETA Kids.